Hi, I'm Anupa and I welcome you to this series of the 5 best pizzas. And while we've done quite a few pizzas, now is the time to do a different one. Something that you may not be getting it at your local pizza shops, but this one is the pizza bomb. And it's just like a bomb. You're going to put all the stuffing into the pizza dough and bake it. So it's simple and a little unique, something that your kids are going to enjoy eating. So let's first understand the dough. The dough is as simple as any pizza base, and I have already shown you a recipe of margherita pizza where I have shown how to make the pizza base and also how to make the pizza sauce. You have to follow that recipe to get the dough right and then to get the sauce. So once you've done that, let's now make the pizza bomb. So to make the pizza bomb, I have my pizza dough which is nicely proven, and now I'll knock down the dough and we'll make them into smaller balls. Let's take some polenta, some refined flour. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is divide the dough into smaller portions. This is perfectly fine. And for the stuffing, I'm going to make a nice interesting stuffing. I've got some chicken kebabs, chicken seekh kebab. So I've chopped it up, to which I'll add some mushrooms. Even these are finely chopped. We'll add some jalapenos, chopped jalapenos, some baby corn, that is also chopped, and I'm going to add some spice which is chilli flakes. Now this filling is going to be relatively dry. A little bit of salt, got some garlic seasoning, and I'm going to add very little sauce to this. That's it. The stuffing has to be tasty, which is why I have taken some chicken seekh kebab and we've added everything else. We can add some herbs as well, and if you want, let's add some green capsicum. Basil, yes, definitely. So here you go, the stuffing for the pizza bomb is done. Let's add cheese to this. Okay. So I'm done with the stuffing. Now nothing much to be done, we're just going to stuff this. So now let's take one portion of the dough, and if you want, you can flatten it out with the help of a rolling pin, or you can just use your fingers like this and make it into a katori. You have to basically stuff the dough like you would do for any other stuffed paratha, but just that the rolling out of this has to be even. So after you've made this into a katori like this, take the filling and place it in the center. Try and stuff as much as you can, but don't go overboard. Okay, so now gather everything like this, pinch it. Whatever you see excess here still needs to stay here only. And now shape it like this. Just leave it on a greased baking tray. So here you go, the 3 bombs are done. We're going to let it rest for at least about 15 minutes more so that the volume increases, and then we'll bake it in the oven, and once it is done, we're going to serve it hot. So let's wait for 10 minutes and then we'll put it in the oven. Okay, so the bombs have now grown in size, which means carbon dioxide has been released by the yeast which is present in the dough, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the oven and we're going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then the bombs are going to be ready and we're going to serve it piping hot. So you also should try this recipe and let me know how you like it, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.